Hello friends, welcome to Subhan Tech YouTube channel. This video discuss about by how to sell on Facebook Marketplace, a step-by-step guide. Today when everyone is head over heel about social platform like Instagram, TikTok and Pinterest, Facebook seems like the retired person sleeping their routine evening tea. Aren't we thinking the same? Well, not really. We often hear that selling over something on Facebook Marketplace is time consuming and not worth it, especially considering the same earning, but the numbers have the different story. Facebook still has no actual active user than other social platforms with almost 3 billion active users, surpassing the number of Instagram and other social network. Seller, you don't have to break your head for this, or maybe a little bit. Entering the Facebook marketplace is relatively straightforward. You don't need to a website, a paid a strategy, or event technicals know how. You just post, connect and sell often to people right in your neighborhood. But the potential does not stop here. Behind the scenes, Facebook algorithms is quickly doing a lot more, putting yours listening front of people who are already looking for what you are offering. It's like having a free marketing teams built into your social media account. Now, as you have decided to sell on Facebook, let's explore our step by step guide on how to sell on Facebook Marketplace, including tips to scale your business. Understanding the Facebook marketplace. Facebook started its marketplace in 2016 and it was designed as a friendly modern take on the classified ads currently. Facebook marketplace he involved into one of the most active e-commerce ecosystem with over a billions monthly visitors exploring everything from furniture and fashion to vehicles and digital products. What started as a next door trading between neighborhood has transformed into a multiple billion dollars marketplace that may attract individuals and small businesses. This evolution is remarkable because the marketplace grew alongside Facebook's powerful data and advertising tools, which means sellers could reach highly targeted audience without needing an internal website or ad budget that combines our accessibility and algorithms precision is what makes Facebook's marketplace such as dominate force is a social commerce today. In contrast to conversions e-commerce website that prioritize transactions, Facebook's marketplace operates more like a cross between search engines had the purchase and its expose items based on that are they actively seeking. Facebook AI recognize the user's actions each time they click on your listening message, a seller, or simply stop on an image. As a result, the systems not only display product but also align with a buyer goals. As a result, all thought sellers gain from worldwide exposure. Buyers continue to enjoy a local trustworthy marketplace that feels immediate and intimate. Unlike choose scratch card that scratch your hopes more than your wallet, Facebook Marketplace is rewards engagements and credibility. If your listings attracts clicks, messages, and positive interactions, they tend to rank higher in search results. Freshness also plays a huge role, which suggests the newly listens or frequently updates items often get temporary boost in visibility to keep the platforms dynamic. Sellers should also be consistent, which implies that you have to do list regularly. If it's just a few items per week, it stands for get more organic impressions. Moreover, how reliable you are the where your customers significantly builds your businesses over time. Your response rates with your customers will improve your profitable visibles. Understand that a five-star sellers with great reviews is far more likely to appear in local recommendation and similar item sections. Marketplace is parts of Facebook broader's AI recommendations network. That means your slightly can appears not only in marketplace searches but also in new news feeds, related groups, and personalized suggested for you section. The AI analyzes signals such as buyers' interest, geographics, proximity, and purchase history to direct listening towards users most likely to convert is essentially the more engagement you're listening to generate, the more visibility Facebook's to give you creatives. Here are the few steps that will help you understand the Facebook marketplace better. Set up and optimize your seller profit. Before you sell anything, your profit needs to be built trust on Facebook Marketplace. Your profile is your sale storefront that buyers and algorithms both use it on decide your credibility. Start with a clear, real photo will fill your locations, public contact details, and basic transparency information. A profile that looks authentic encourage messages and higher conversions. Engage with local buy and sell group and participate and is in community post. Even before you start listening, Facebook reward active users and algorithm sees pre-listening creative a dedicated Facebook page for your sellings activity that separates your business from your personal profile will giving you access to insight ad and professional tools choosing profitable product to sell. To become a successful seller in that Facebook marketplace, you should be studying the buyer's behavior first. The marketplace thrives on impulse and proximity buying, so items that meets immediate needs tends to performs the beat furnitures, electronics, tools, homes improvements, items and achieve usually dominate to final profitable opportunities. Explore your local marketplace with the sold filters on this reveals which products are moving quality and what price. Start small by testing a few different items and match which ones the get most engagements. Think of it as you turning real-time experiments before scaling. Avoid overstated niches unless you can bring something unique, a local advantage, a custom bundle, or a superior presentations. Step 3. Craft listening that rank and convert. Your listening is your digital agent. Why? Because the first impressions comes from visuals. Use bridge natural listening and showcase your product in context. For example, display a couch is a furnished living room, not an empty corners. Multiples image works best. Ideally, showing scale and key details. Be creative while writing your titles. Include your main keywords, a specific attribute, and your condition or location. A well structured examples will be like solid wood dining table, six seaters, excellent conditions. Downtown's Miami in the subscriptions combines details in persuasions, mention size, materials or features, and add a few emotional touches like perfect for small apartments or ideal for a growing family. Pricing plays a significant role in conversions research. If your local average then price slightly below the average for fasters and sales use price that feel psychologically appealing. For example, $49 streets or $50 and refresh your listening every week to stay at the top of local results, making use of the algorithms. So the marketplace visibility is driven by engagements and trust. Facebook's algorithms reward listening that attract click saves and message sellers who responds quickly, keep listening up to date and maintain positive reviews trends to rank higher. To work with the algorithms, reply to inquiries as fast as possible, response speed to one of the strongest ranking signals, and active conversation. Keep your listenings circulations regulatory. Update your listening even small signals refreshness Facebook systems. Building your trust during the conversations is crucial to smoother your commercials, customers to browse and purchase without leaving the platforms. The seamless shoppers experience the increased sales but also enhance customer engagements approach. Refresh underperforming listening the new visual updates, wording a fresh price, double breakdowns on your winning categories in one niche is a working expands with I don't lie. The choose visuals are don't first buyers nothing and plays the markets adding the shorts 10 to 20 seconds clips showing to products in use for multiple angles can significantly boost visibility, buyer trust, ultimately increasing and sales and buyers confidence. Price insourcing and dynamics pricing. One Facebook market place buyers compare listings. Constant goal is to posting the price is most attractive options is the search windows. More message and gives you a chance to upsell in chat. For example, selling you the furnitures and target users and interest for the sectors design real-time streets and 25 miles of your city's experience the shorts and you're boosting the originals when reach your ad not earnings and which yours outperform the tactics in your role as pupils and interest your listenings is the Facebook algorithms because your trust your highly engagements seller boosting organic reach events your turnings ads scaling your sites hustles the business. At this point, selling your Facebook margins becomes the more valuable businesses idea and that just scaling successfully means automating the repetitive parts while straightening your hands brands. Inventory and automations, manual rising and tracking quickly becomes the unmanageable as your business scales. Rather use automation tools like zip sales, ReselKit, or one shop to automatically realize expires item and update the pricing across multiple listening. If you are handling dozens of your product, consider bulk upload methods, thoughts, spreadsheet integration of the or third-party tools. Keep your structured inventory management system like Airtable or Shopify little to track sales, new views, and messages in one dashboard. Some sellers have been exploring the dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace, listing product from suppliers who handles fulfillment. Will it's possible, but it's career risk like shipping delays, suppliers unreliability, and potentials policy violations. If you are planning to pursue routes, work with the trusted US based vendors and vendors transparency delivering timeline to avoid unwanted charges. How to start branding upside marketplace. Facebook enforcement system streaks to automate the velocities for furniture's flipping. One of the marketplace consistent profit model salaries as the sellers growth in the Facebook marketplace sellers app help them bridge to gap locals flippings into the national scale retails. Back data's package intelligence. TikTok shops on hands growing the relies heavily in short form content and influencers marketing. Marketplace agents lies is accessibility and trust sellers can reach local buyers instantly test offers in real time and scale thoughts meta powerful ad ecosystem. When this ecosystem evolves, Facebook Marketplace will likely remain the connections between casual selling and full scale e commerce. Now, its integrations with meta ad shops and messaging tools gives it's a powerful feedback loop where every sales message and ads interactions improves. Targeting precisions. Sellers who take advantage of AI tools, data driven optimization, and across platforms. Strategies will take over the next wave of digital कॉमर्स. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में. जब तक के लिए बाय.